Hello, everybody. Today we will talk about Will Williams and his indicators that will help you to improve your trading skills at any step of your trading activity and trading career. He is an influential figure in the world of trading psychology and technical analysis. His fame spread rapidly in 1990s due to his trading house series of books, as well as the range of popular indicators that he invented. I fully recommend you to take a look on this book, as they contain a lot of very interesting and useful information. Bill Williams has been operating as a trader and analyst for more than half a century, educating people on the subject for 25 years. He is perhaps best known these days for the indicators he introduced within his books, which are available to use in various K-trading platforms. I also will show you how to find his indicators in MT5 trading platform in the end of the video. Bill Williams studies in higher learning were a rather unusual combination, including a bachelor's degree in engineering physics and a doctoral degree in psychology. It's from this later field that he likely gained his understanding and empathy on the behavioral aspect of financial trading. In his insights into trading psychology, Bill Williams has pointed out that the financial markets are never fully knowable. This has led him to suggest that the best way to make money out of the market is by focusing on the behavior side, rather than obsessing over fundamentals. So what are the Bill Williams indicators? As I mentioned earlier, Bill Williams is credited with coming up with a number of celebrated trading indicators. So let's take a look to most popular. And the first one is alligator indicator. This indicator is perhaps Bill Williams' most famous invention. The indicator consists of a construction of three balanced lines, which are basically moving averages of varying lengths and that are moved forward a certain number of bars into the future. The blue line represents a 13 bars moving average shifted toward 8 bars on the chart. The red line is an 8 bars moving average shift 5 bars forward. Finally, the green line is a 5 bars moving average shifted 3 bars forward. The next one, Gator Oscillator. The Gator Oscillator uses the balance lines from the alligator indicator to calculate two values of one positive and one negative. These are plotted beneath the main price chart as a dual histogram. The positive value is the differences between the blue and red balance lines. The negative value is the difference between the red and green balance lines. And it is then multiplied by -1 to give it necessary negative value. Bars that are larger than the previous bar are green. Bars that are smaller are red. It's a good tool for timing and can be used in conjunction to the alligator indicator. Awesome Oscillator is an indicator that compares a short-term moving average with a longer-term moving average to provide a guide as to whether market momentum is bullish or bearish. It is calculated as the differences between the newest 5 periods bars simple moving average and a 34 bars simple moving average. But Instead of the closing price, the indicator uses the bar midpoint value. Although it may look like an awesome oscillator formula in complex, the reality is that it's fairly simple, and it is as follows, as you can see. In simple terms, the bar will be green if it has a high value compared to the previous bar, and it is red if the value of the lower compared to the previous bar. Another element is the zero line around which the indicator oscillates the moves between positive or negative values. If the indicator values are above the zero line, it means that shorter period is higher than the longer time frame, and vice versa. If the faster period is longer, then the longer period in the indicator will be below the zero line. Thus, when the histogram moves above the zero line, it is indicating that bullish forces drive the market, and then the awesome oscillator values below the zero line. It will point toward a bearish momentum. Fractals indicator. Bill Williams' fractal indicator is based on the idea that financial markets are the aggregated results of the complex collection of individual behaviors with the patterns that are similar, whichever scale you look at. This fractal style self-similarly provides a key which Williams contend helps traders to understand the behavior of the market. A fractal formation on the chart marks a temporary height or low of potential importance. The fractals indicator make it very easy to spot where these formations are located on the chart. Also, accelerator oscillator. It is calculated using the awesome oscillator as a starting point. Its value of the level of the awesome oscillator minus a 5-period moving average of the awesome oscillator. The accelerator oscillator is intended to operate as a kind of early warning signals of upcoming changes in the market momentum. And the market's facilitation index measured price changes per tick and plots this value as a histogram below the main price chart. The bars of histogram are colored according to whether the MVI is increasing or decreasing in combination with whether the tick volume is increasing or decreasing. Both the MVI and volume increasing is perhaps the most important combination indicating a likelihood of trend continuation. Williams suggests to use the MVI indicator in combination with the fractals indicator. One of the good things about the Bill Williams indicators is that they're available as standard with many types of charting software, including the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. So let's take a look how to add indicators in the chart. For that, we need to choose Insert, as usual for indicators or trading indicators, oscillators, and to choose Bill Williams. As we can see, we can add awesome oscillator, alligator, fractals, gator, oscillator. So let's add awesome oscillator. We choose the color of the bars. I prefer to have basic colors, and as we can see, it's appeared. So once again, Insert, then Indicators, and Bill Williams. So today we got to know what are main Bill Williams indicators that you almost can use in your trading strategy as well. If it would be interesting for you to take a look on special indicators, please leave a comment under this video, and we will take a look on specific strategies based on these indicators. Also, I fully recommend you to take a look on his book, as they are really helpful in understanding of crowd psychology and behavior and basic technical analysis. So for today, that is all. Thank you so much for your attention. I appreciate that. I hope this video was useful for you. Wish you profitable trades. Stay safe and see you soon.